If you're trying to link your EA account with Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the two easiest ways to connect both accounts, whether you want the fastest method by launching an EA game from Steam or the manual browser method if you want to link everything first. This is a one-time process for most players, and once it's done, you'll be able to access your EA games through Steam much more smoothly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, let's cover the fastest method, which is the launch and link process. To begin, make sure you have the EA app installed on your PC. This is important because EA uses the app to verify your account and complete the connection. If you don't have it installed yet, download and set it up first before moving on. Next, open Steam and go to your library. Find an EA game that you already own or that is installed on your system. Popular examples include Apex Legends, The Sims 4, or Battlefield. Once you find the game, launch it from Steam. This is the step that triggers the account linking prompt automatically. After the game starts, a sign-in window should appear. This is where you need to log in using your EA account credentials, not your Steam login. Enter the email and password for your EA account carefully, then continue. If you use the wrong account here, the link may connect to the wrong EA profile, so make sure everything is correct before confirming. Once you sign in, Steam will ask for permission to link your EA account with your Steam account. This is the final confirmation step. Review the prompt, click confirm or allow, and your accounts will be connected. After that, you should be able to launch EA games through Steam while keeping both accounts linked together. Now, if you don't already have an EA game installed on Steam, or you just prefer to do things manually, there's another easy way to link the accounts through a browser. Start by going to the EA login page in your web browser. On the sign-in screen, look for the Steam icon, which usually appears among the other login options. It may look like a small piston or crankshaft symbol. Click that Steam icon and a secure Steam sign-in window will open. This is where you'll log in with your Steam account details. Make sure you're entering your Steam credentials in the official secure pop-up, not on any random website. After you sign in, EA will check your account and may ask you to verify your identity if you already have an existing EA account connected to your email. If verification is required, check your email for the code EA sends you. Enter that code when prompted and complete the verification process. Once that's done, EA will finish linking your Steam account. To make sure everything worked, go into your EA account settings and look for the Connected Accounts section. That's where you can confirm that Steam is now listed as linked. If you ever run into issues, double check that you're using the correct EA account, that your Steam login is accurate, and that your email verification has been completed. In most cases, the linking process is quick and only needs to be done once. After that, your EA and Steam accounts should stay connected for future game launches and account access. And that's it. You now know how to link your EA account with Steam using both the fastest launch method and the manual browser method. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.